Hello, and welcome to our channel, DMV Permit Practice Test. Understanding of right-of-way principles ensures you make the right decisions on the road, keeping yourself and others safe. Whether you're a new driver, a seasoned motorist, or simply someone looking to refresh their understanding of traffic rules, our videos will provide clear insights and practical examples. Let's dive into today's scenario. Please look at this picture on the screen. At this T intersection, there are no traffic lights or stop signs. There are 3 cars approaching the T intersection. The green car is the first to arrive at the intersection from the side road that ends at the intersection and wants to make a left turn onto the through road. The red car is traveling on the through road and wants to make a left turn onto the side road. The blue car is closely approaching the intersection on the through road and is going straight. In this scenario, which cars have the right-of-way, and in what order should they proceed through the intersection according to traffic rules? Is it Option A, green, red, blue. Option B, blue, red, green. Option C, blue, green, red. I will give you 10 seconds to think and type the correct answer in the comments. Pause the video if you need more time to think. Let's take a few seconds to study this situation and choose the correct answer. As per the DMV handbook, at T intersections without stop or yield signs, vehicles, bicyclists, and pedestrians on the through road, continuing to go straight, have the right-of-way over vehicles entering from side roads or driveways. Hence, the blue car, traveling on the through road, has the right-of-way. The red car must yield to the blue car. The green car, waiting to turn left onto the through road, should yield to both blue and red cars before making the left turn. So the order would be blue car proceeds first, followed by red car, and then the green car after ensuring it's safe to make the left turn. We hope this video was helpful in understanding and resolving the right-of-way in a situation that happens very frequently while driving. For more such videos, and preparing for your driving permit test, please subscribe to our channel, DMV Permit Practice Test, and click on the bell button.